When HP signed up to be the official technology partner for Wrexham AFC, they committed to help manage our IT and improve our experiences with tech. We were so grateful that we wanted to give back to them. They said no, but we insisted. So when HP outfitted the front office staff with industry-leading computers and peripherals, we rearranged their staff into a 3-5-2 formation to optimize performance.
So can we get 3 chairs at the back there, please? Yeah, 1 more on the right side, yeah. Over this way a little bit. Okay, this is going to work.
But we need our desks.
After they set up an AI-based remote monitoring system over here, we made sure HP staff were in the best shape possible over there.
When your clients are tired in the second half of the meeting, you thank me.
Whilst they outfitted club offices with best-in-class conferencing tools and tech, we returned the favour by developing a more efficient way to conduct presentations.
I don't know what's on those slides.
I believe in you.
When HP equipped the club with a capability that sends health and performance data via the cloud, we implemented a system for measuring meeting performance.
Your heart rate's up. You nervous about your presentation?
I am now.
I know we got world-class tech solutions and troubleshooting and systems optimization, but I like to think that HP got just as much from us.